Hi guys, in this video tip, we're going to be looking at how you can authorize a third party to have access to your MijnCN account and to handle certain services on your behalf. So, for example, you may want an accountant or a consultant to handle, let's say, your annual taxes. It's possible with the MijnCN platform to authorize such a person. So the first thing you want to see is, let's stay logged in. The first thing you want to see is what services you have access to. So for this account, it's a personal account, I am able to file my taxes. So inkomstenbelasting, my personal income tax. Okay. They're currently working on setting up services related to social affairs. So that should be launched, I think, shortly. Okay, so now I can see the service that I want to share. I can scroll all the way up on the homepage to authorizations. And here on the right-hand side, let me just get my face out of the way. Here on the right-hand side, I see this button that says to authorize someone. So I'm going to click that. All right. And the first step is just to, confirm that this is what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to agree. Okay, and then at this point, I have to enter the name of the party that I'd like to authorize. So it's going to be, in this case, TACT BV. Then I have to enter the crib number of TACT. So I'm going to do that. All right, and then the next portion here allows me to select the services that I'd like to give TACT authorization for. So it's going to be this one, the ability to file my income tax online. Okay, so I'm going to complete this. All right, and the last step is that you will receive an overview, or actually the step before last is that you will receive an overview of the authorization that you're about to make, and then you can sign and submit it like this. Okay, and now this is the last step, and the last step is to receive or to download a activation code which needs to be sent to the person that you are going to authorize, in this case TACT. And so that when TACT receives the notification that you would like them to have access to their account, they will also need to enter this code to finalize it and to be able to have access to your account. Okay, so you can go ahead and just download the code here, and then you can email it to TACT. So you can send it to admin@tactbv.com. And you can just say, "Dear TACT, please find attached the activation code to access my MijnCN account." Something along the lines of that. And in this case, it's coming from me, Kenyatta. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and upload the activation code like this, and then you can just send it off to TACT. Okay, and once you're back here, the last step, actually the last button, is just to click on complete. Okay, and then you will see that you have a open request. You can view it, you can change it. Maybe you want to add additional services. You can of course delete it at any time. So this is where you can see the authorizations that you have given out. All right, so this is it, just a brief overview as to how you can authorize a third party to have access to your MijnCN account. All right, I hope this was useful, and I will speak to you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.